Hey guys, welcome back. Last week, if you watched the video last week, um, really not many people watched. There were like 35 views. So if you want to go back and watch it, you can. But I made some coasters, just like this. And what I had was a piece of oak that's 5.5 inches wide. Okay, so the coasters are 4x4, so I have about a 1.5 inch piece left over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this scrap that I really can't use for much of anything else. I'm going to make a napkin holder. First off, I'm going to measure down 6 inches. Okay, mark. Mark that right there, and then I'm going to go cut it. And the last piece is just going to be the length of this. Just put that there. Give me a little mark. I got all the pieces cut. I'm just going to run the pieces over some sandpaper a little bit. Just round it off a little bit. Just take any of the burrs off. So like this right here. That's what I want to get rid of. Now I got everything ready. So now I'm just going to glue it together. I'm going to use some Tight Bond 3, not because it's going to be outside, it's because it's the only glue I have. So that's what I'm going to use. Okay, put that. sure I get everything the way I want it. I'll still have to sand a little bit, not too much. Make sure I got it even. Here's my original piece that I cut off. I'm going to put that in here at the top just so it doesn't collapse and shrink in. So, yeah. All right. We'll come back and look at it tomorrow. Okay, it is the next day, so here's my step cap. So let's see. Take these off. Okay, come out pretty nice. So I'm gonna wipe it down and spray it off and give a quick sand. And yeah, I think it came out pretty nice. So what I'm gonna spray it with is it's Minwax Helmsman Spar Urethane. And this, hello cat, this is the clear semi-gloss. So here it is after it was sprayed. I think it came out pretty nice. And very simple to build. So I'm gonna just sand it down a little bit more and it'll be done. But I wanted to show this to you. And again, I used this Minwax Indoor-Outdoor Helmsman, the clear semi-gloss. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.